Hi, good day, ma'am, sir. I am Rochibel Bunyol, 28 years old from the Philippines. I am single, I am a Roman Catholic, and I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Public Administration. I have experience before as a housemaid here in our country in the Philippines for 2 years, starting 2019 and 2021. My main duties and responsibilities is to clean the house from bedroom, bathroom, living room, and also the kitchen and laundry. I serve 4 members in the family, including the children. The ages of the children is 5 and 10 years old. I know how to cook basic Filipino foods. This is my first time to work abroad, but I am willing to learn and I will do my best to serve your family satisfied. And I am willing to finish my contract. Thank you, Mom, Sir, and God bless.